Homer's The Odyssey is an epic poem that follows the Greek hero Odysseus on his long journey home after the Trojan War. After angering the god Poseidon, Odysseus is cursed to wander the seas for 10 years, facing numerous challenges along the way. He encounters the Cyclops Polyphemus, the enchantress Circe, the deadly sirens, and the sea monsters Scylla and Charybdis. With the help of the goddess Athena, he finally reaches Ithaca, only to find his home overrun by suitors trying to marry his wife Penelope. Disguised as a beggar, Odysseus proves his identity and, with his son Telemachus, defeats the suitors. At last, he reunites with Penelope and reclaims his rightful place as king. The Odyssey is a tale of adventure, resilience, and homecoming, filled with both human struggles and divine intervention. As one of the earliest works of Western literature, it establishes key storytelling traditions, such as the hero's journey. Homer blends myth and reality, using Odysseus's journey to explore themes of fate, intelligence, and perseverance. The poem also reflects Greek values, such as hospitality, loyalty, and respect for the gods. Through its vivid imagery and timeless themes, the Odyssey remains one of the most influential stories in literature, showing that true heroism comes not just from strength, but also from cleverness and endurance. One of the most important themes in the Odyssey is the struggle to return home. Odysseus's journey is not just about reaching Ithaca, but also about proving himself worthy of his homecoming. Along the way, he is tempted by comfort and distraction, such as staying with Circe and Calypso, but he never gives up on his goal. Penelope also fights to protect their home by outwitting the suitors. The poem suggests that home is not just a place, but something that must be earned through patience, loyalty, and determination. Unlike many traditional heroes who rely on physical power, Odysseus is known for his intelligence and cunning. He defeats the Cyclops by tricking him rather than using brute force, and he escapes danger by relying on clever strategies, such as disguising himself. Even when he returns to Ithaca, he does not immediately attack the suitors, but instead observes and plans carefully. Homer highlights that wisdom and quick thinking are just as important as physical strength in overcoming challenges. The role of fate and the gods is central to the poem, as Odysseus's journey is shaped by divine forces. Poseidon punishes him for blinding the Cyclops, while Athena helps him throughout his struggles. Even though the gods have great influence, Odysseus's actions still matter. His choices, bravery, and perseverance allow him to succeed. The poem suggests that while fate and the gods may set obstacles, human effort and determination ultimately shape one's destiny. Odysseus is a complex hero, known for his intelligence, bravery, and resilience. He is flawed, sometimes making reckless choices, but he learns from his experiences and remains determined to return home. Penelope is equally strong, showing patience and cleverness as she delays the suitors while waiting for Odysseus. Telemachus, their son, grows from an unsure boy into a capable young man who helps his father reclaim their home. The suitors, especially Antinous, represent greed and arrogance, while the gods, such as Athena and Poseidon, show both the kindness and cruelty of divine power. These characters bring depth to the epic, making the Odyssey not just a story of adventure, but also one of personal growth and perseverance.